Okwombeka enjenderwaho y'okutwara amashanyarazi kukatandika omu 12 omwaka gwa 2020 kandi gukatongozebwa omu butongore ebiro 21 eby'oku12 omwaka gwa 2024 ekyareeteire abaturage b'omu kyanga ekyo obuhuumuro. Okutongoza okwe kukaba kuri okwokureetaho oburyo burungi obw'okukora aha buremeezi bw'amashanyarazi. Omu by'obuheereza ab'amakorero nibagira ngu eby'obuheereza byeyongiire kuhika omu bantu bwanyuma y'okureetaho obuheereza bw'amashanyarazi. Abantu bayoreka okuba baire batwire nibateganisibwa obuzibu bw'amashanyarazi omu kyanga kya Kigezi.
Konka Kwiha bwija at least hatwireho garaguma gariho kandi oshange ngu ebyoma biturakozesa mu marwariro muno omusiyeta bitareta bakurugaho kebya kukabisa n'ebya anesthesia obu TV nibwo bwa sound scans n'ebindi bitachebera shagama ebyo mu laboratory birabeta abakoresa amashanyarazi.
Tukatwine ekizibu ky'amashanyarazi. Amashanyarazi kurugaho burkanya kagumana gargaho kandi twine emirimo mingi y'okukora y'ishomero printing every now and then abanambazo mu prep twine computer lab ebintu byona bukabutakurraninga jabo kugira ngo amashanyarazi gakaba on and off and twatugira expenses nyingi zo kurwaninga generator.
Harugireho UDC do ekija amashanyarazi gabonera gibatira mu Rubanda amashanyarazi gacyahindika munonga sofa akabari hata amashanyarazi tigenesha ngani tukoranka burijo no tweba mu y'amani
bayoreka okuwo bwa hati emirimo netambura kurungi hateine kiri kubateganisa
operates 24/7. Our laboratory operates 24/7 and all the patients who need like ultrasound scans, they have been accessing.
Have problems by the way we reached an extent of taking the learners to do night lessons because you have a day lesson but there is no power, so we'd even shift it to the night, but as of now they have full-time power and the lessons can go on very well during the day and even at night because the power is always on.
Are not running well when the power is off, because let us say maybe they've brought someone who has gotten an accident and maybe you have to attend to them, the suture link, giving drugs, and you do not have light. It becomes a very big problem. And let us say during the day we have machines that run on power. Let us say maybe an oxygen concentrator.
Bayoreka oku ebyobuheereza bimwe byeyongeire aharimo irwariro lya Kakore Health Center eya kashatu okuruga ahari Health Center eya kabiri.
Biturebere nebiturukura bamuhati kecho kubanza amashanyarazi nati nigabura munonga garazeho tiga kamala runaku gatabuzire mirundi nketana
yashoborora okubura kw'amashanyarazi kwa burishaha nikuretera bareta ebyamaguzi bike kandi kibaretera okwitwa kw'ebyoma byingi.
Our seriously like we use heavy machines, motors and those crushers. Sometimes we lose motors. Like we have a motor here currently that we go to Bantu recently. And our technicians say maybe it is because of the power like outages. Because power is always on and off, on and off.
Gasha kwa Job na amanya apuli omuri Rubanda.